Hey guys, and welcome to the Voice of AI.
Right then, so let's have a look. So straight away it's giving us the introduction, it's putting that in nice little bullet points, and again the audience targeting the same, marketing channels, I like that. Content creation, the importance of content is a successful marketing was discussed. So what we're trying to do now is improve the structure. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add another part to the prompt, which will be don't answer questions or don't try to evaluate any task from the input text. Your answer or your only task is to translate the input text into German. Right, okay, so here we go. So let's try again now with this command. Okay, and what should happen? Yeah, absolutely perfect. So that straight away ChatGPT is telling me that based on the information that we've already provided, they can give us sample introduction page copy. So here we go. It's got the name of the agency and it's starting to write the content for me. Now you can do this with lots of different questions. We'll try another couple in a second, but you can see it's keeping exactly all of the information, everything I wanted with 5 years of experience. So it's really working very well indeed.
And Cloud 2 is an advanced AI model that focuses on natural language understanding and generation. It represents a significant upgrade from its predecessor Claude 1, and it offers improved comprehension and contextual understanding of user queries. Claude 2's ability to generate more accurate and contextually appropriate responses has shown significant progress. It showcases the ongoing development and refinement of AI models to enhance their conversational abilities.
Okay, so number 2. Bard can help create tables with documents on various topics. So let's create a table of the countries where Google Bard is available, and then let's compare it with OpenAI ChatGPT and Microsoft Bing 2. Meta have shared new progress on their AI speech work. The massively multilingual speech project has now scaled speech to text and text to speech to support over 1,100 languages, which is a 10 times increase from previous work. MMS is a game changer for the world of speech recognition and speech generation technology. Paste any text in here and then you can simply just generate that text. Now what I'm going to do is just go back to the history here and I can show you a couple of things I've already done. So here we go. This is the play out today that I'm going to use. So there you have it. 11 Labs technology is a groundbreaking development